Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum, welcome to the channel y'all, annyeong to everybody in Korea. So today we're going to be carrying on with this, and what I need to do is to remove the handle. So if I take a flat bladed screwdriver, two flat bladed screwdrivers, and twist off the bracket a bit, the handle, no, it goes all the way through by the looks of it. Let's take out this. Ah yes, okay, this is a bolt that goes all the way through. So we're going to remove that. And oh, slide it off. Ugh. Looks like a little spider party's been going on there. Hang on. Okay, so I'm just going to move the head out of the way. By the way, how's your head? I'm just going to move that out of the way. I've had no complaints. Let's take a look. Now there's another screw there to separate this out, so I'm going to do the same. And should have left those two screwdrivers out, shouldn't I? There we go. One there. One there, and unscrew. Well, this is a predicament. Hang on a sec. Stay. There we go. That one, I think there's been a lot of spiders living inside this. Pop that there. Take this apart. Now does this come off? Yes. And this. Yes. They are identical. So we have now taken the handle down to the two parts. I'm not going to be taking it down any further. I don't want to be releasing the spring on it. It's a lovely strong spring on it to hold the bag in place, but there's a lot of, I don't know what is stuck on it, to be honest. Right, so the first thing I need to do is to take these in the kitchen, and I'm going to scrub them with a scrubbing brush, because I would do it here on the workbench, but I really think these need a really good washing out, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take them into the kitchen, onto the workbench, and give them a blooming good scrub under some running water. So I'm going to do that and come back in just a minute. So I have washed the parts, and they have definitely come up so much better than what they were. Definitely a lot cleaner. I've got lots of the black marks off it. Now these need to be rubbed down with some metal cleaner. So I'm just going to get this area set up, and then we'll give everything a good rub over with some metal cleaner. So I have everything here on the workbench that I need. Just going to put my gloves on, because this is a messy job. I'm going to cut myself some bits of the super fine wire wool. Should be enough.
Okay, I've got plenty of cloths.
and we will start cleaning these bits up. These bits here have got some rust on them, so I'm not interested in trying to repaint them or restore them in the way that they were originally. I just want to get the rust off. I just want them looking better than what they were. Ooh, I need to get some more of this. So I'm going to put a little bit on this, not on my finger. And I'm going to start, does this twist? No, that's the untwistable one. So I'm just going to start down at the bottom. And you can see it's already going black, taking off the muck. I don't want to get too much of it on the plastic because it can stain like buggery. And you can see there's a lot coming off here. So I'm just going to use a cloth and we can take a quick look. Well, that looks amazing. See, some of the marks are still on there, that's fine, but it's just put a shine back into the metal. So now we're going to crack on with the rest. I'll do this one in real time, and then the others I will do fast forward for you. There's so many things doing this channel that I've learned how to do, and it's all through tips and tricks from other YouTubers and from advice from you guys and help. Turn it round. Right, Gilligan, stop sniffing in things. Go and sit down. Whoosh, nosy dogs. They're like children. Naughty children. Okay. Let's remove this. It's got rid of a lot of surface to it. Take another clean cloth. And that looks and feels so much better. This is the bottom cord hook. So all that muck and dirt off, it's all come off, and it just looks so much better than what it did. Excellent. So that's that one done. Now I'm going to work on these two rings and this top part. Luckily that swivels to one side or swivels down. So I just need to clean this bit and these two rings, and I'll do that in fast forward. That is all the plastic, sorry, metal done, polished. Oops. Yeah. And it looks wrong way around. And that looks fantastic. I did try a little bit of the plastic polish on it, but I can't get the stains off. These are ingrained into it, so that side's fine, but I'm not really fussed, to be honest. I got all the rust off this. It is corroded and the chrome has come off, or wherever it is. Well, that's the best I'm going to get that. That one does look a lot better. So I'm going to put this back on, like so. And put the screws back in. Bit awkward because I have to line it up perfectly. Try and catch the other side. Done. And this one then goes back onto the head when I've done it, so I will leave that until I've done the rest of the vacuum. There we go, in place. But now that is the wand looking so much better than what it did. It didn't need stacks of work doing to it. It just needed some TLC to bring it back looking really good. I'm really pleased with that. Really, really pleased. And voila. That didn't take long at all, did it? A nice short video for you guys today. I hope you're enjoying the series on the Goblin. I thought it'd be fun to do it bit by bit for you guys, rather than just all rushed in one big video over a couple of days. So there we go. That is another bit done. So the next one I'm going to be working on is the main vacuum itself. And yep, that needs some work doing to it. It's not too bad, but it really does need a good bit of TLC. So join me in the next video where we clean this, take it apart as far as we need to go with it, clean it up, put it back together, and that means the whole machine, and then we can give it a full house demo. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!